Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 188 of Trading Talk. Why just go long when you can go long and strong? In today's episode, we build a model that can get into many trades in the trend, combining a number of different techniques. This is a must-watch for those of you who've asked, how can I combine all the different concepts that I'm learning here in these Trading Talk videos? You can get ideas from anywhere, but the best of them will be coming from this year's Algo Trading Conference, where you'll see Perry Kaufman, Trevor Neil, and one other soon-to-be-announced special guest. They'll be presenting the automated models that they trade. Learn from them and take their fully built models home on the day to test and trade for yourself. We always bring in the world's best traders to show you models and concepts that they trade. Our speakers have a proven track record of success over time, so something they're doing is working. In my experience, attendance at our Algo Trading Conference will likely put you 5 to 10 years ahead in your trading because you'll get to see how the professionals do it. I really hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Trading Talk, and if you'd like to see the full episode and build the model that we showed today, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video there. If you enjoy our videos, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get more of what you want to see. Until next week, all the best with your trading.